This video, I'm going to show you how you can apply zoom effects on your videos using VLC. So if you are playing a video and then you like to go ahead and zoom a particular section or a particular part of the video, you can interact with it while it is playing in real time. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So I have here a video and I've just posted this section, but you can also do this while the video is playing. To zoom to a specific part of this video or to zoom it while it is playing, it is quite simple. Just head over to this option called Tools while your video is in VLC, and then go ahead and choose this option called Effects and Filters. Under this, choose this option called Video Effects, and under it we have quite a number of settings here, such as Essential, Crop, Color, and Geometry. Go ahead and click on Geometry, and here look for this function called Interactive Zoom. So when you check on this, you'll be able to interact with the video and zoom it to specific aspects or ratio while it is playing. So if I go ahead and click on Interactive Zoom and then close it, now you can see I can highlight the specific part I want to move closer or to see just the mouse while the video is playing in VLC. So by doing this, you'll be able to move closer and interact with various parts of the video without any issue. You can also do this by using a combination of Ctrl+E to be able to zoom your videos on your VLC Media Player. So if you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.